Alright guys, we're going to try to tighten this belt up, get it down where it should be, and I'm going to use that pole. Come on! What are you doing? Let me get this, I got to get this pry bar. So when Sal puts that up on that pulley like it should have been, he put it on and he tightened it, but he didn't have it on the pulley. So we're going to do it again. And see, we could never get them tight enough without a bar like this. Guys, they say if you can turn them more than a quarter turn by hand, they're not tight enough when you've got them on. So, okay. So I may have to pause this here so I can get the, hold on buddy, that should be enough maybe since we got this bar. Okay, get your belt out of that crack though. Get it to the outside of that pulley if you can. No, here, right here. I already did it, it's done. Well, turn it. Turn it how it needs to be. Supposed to have a quarter turn only in it so that it keeps it right and straight. Now is that way all the way around? No. Well, only a quarter turn in the whole dang thing, Sal. That's all it can have. Yeah, I think you look pretty good up here. But you're not on the bottom pulley. See, look, you're doing it again. Exactly the same thing. You're not on the pulley. Which one's it supposed to be on? This one or this one? Okay. Yeah, you probably... Is that right? He's done a lot of these. He pretty well knows what he's doing. I've never done one. I've coached. He's done the pulleys. So we got air in this tire. We're going to have to use this in the motor today because I don't know if the 140 is still full of water or not. You got a couple turns in that, Sal. The bottom one. The very bottom. You got a couple of turns. Yes. You're going to have to turn it a little bit the other way. And then when we get her tight with that bar, it'll be tight. But that's why we had to buy a $30 spud bar, guys. So Dad can pry up on it and keep the tension really tight while he tightens that pulley down there. Oh geez, there's a couple turns. No, Sal, no. No. There's your quarter turn. Yes. That's supposed to be in the whole thing, not each side.